And TC, the truth is, the party is gone. And I don't know what it will take to resurrect it. I have problems with individuals who enter the Jamaica Labour Party and feel that them can get up and talk to people anyhow and do anything, and you as a little councillor girl, you must accept what they say and do. I refuse to accept and do what people want me to accept. And nobody carry me in a Labour Party. My father grew me up in a Labour Party. And I can tell anybody, I will leave Labour Party when I want to leave it. Nobody can make me leave Labour Party. So them can go out there and them can spread all kind of rumor them want, because me hear every rumor where them a spread. Me no like the leader, me no this, me no that, me hear everything. Me not come out there come tell nobody say, me love the leader for them for satisfy. Nobody can tell me nothing about Andrew HOLNESS. Me fight for him. Miss Andrew HOLNESS gained my respect and loyalty from Mr. Siaga. And me never tell Andrew when me I go out a street go fight for him. Him only hear when me fight. Him never pay me for fight for him, because me a loyalist to my party. And what me believe in. Me could have take money in the leadership race. I was offered the money and I don't take it. And good money to give them half of the delegate in a Central Kingston. When Chin did a support the other side, I'm war with Chin for Andrew get them. Nobody can come tell me nothing. And if I have a problem, I'm going to talk about it and nobody can muzzle me. Because of that, me see, them I try to do in the party. I try to muzzle people not for talk. Mr. Siaga never grow weasel. Mr. Siaga allowed us to speak our mind and he listened. And Andrew is that person. You can tell the Prime Minister, Andrew HOLNESS, anything that you think. And he might not do what you say, but he will listen. But you have some people around Andrew where claim say them loyal, where I go on like say them can talk up and them can do. Me well want them take me on. Me a talk for them take me on and them not take me on. Them a grumble. And a grumble enough for grumble. Enough for come out and talk. Because me can tell you no, not come through back door in a Labour Party and come put out the people them who risk them life and stayed with this party when uno go to college, go get an education, and never go there for politics. The people them were in a politics, stayed in politics and learned the politics and loyal to the politics and loyal to the people who love politics most. Poor people, because rich people not no loyalty to politics. Anywhere the tide go, I did them go. And me, Rosie Hamilton, born in a poor community, me never grow broke and hungry. Me never grow broke and hungry. But me born and grow in a poor community. And anybody can tell you the history when me have as a councillor, Edward Siaga alone have that history of serving them constituency. Nobody else. So me not make foot on a talking one talk deter me from talk about Buster Party where inform. Uno now mash up Buster Party and expect people to sit down. And because uno intellect, uno for come in, come do as uno like, and people for shut up their mouth. Uno can't make me shut up my mouth. And TC, the truth is, the party is gone. And I don't know what it will take to resurrect it. Because even in my own constituency, that, you know which part me upset with, Andrew? When I go to the party after 1 year and tell them what going in the constituency, and it a mash up. People like the one Delroy Williams, him If Delroy had taken a stand as the era council deputy chairman and Winston Ennis and the deputy leader, Desmond McKenzie, he might tell me, say him never know them things that did go on in the constituency. Nobody told him. I don't believe him. Because a whole heap of constituency go to them era council and talk to them about the member of parliament them, and no action was taken because it's something the whole of them organized to do. To disrespect the people them and handle them like dog. And now election a come. The leader of the party have to do house to house. The leader of the party have to go on platform and beg the workers them for support the party. That should never be. No leader Labour Party never have to do that. When the MP them done damage up the seat them, Mr. say I got fire them, run them way. So you can stay the talk. Cause me not talk to, and me you for come talk to. You for talk to me and make me address you, cause me a wait pound no. TC, you know, I observed everybody in this party. And one thing I can tell you, I am a keen observer. You see, when me talk is when I choose to talk. I like to observe. It's 3 years ago, I stood up at Pembroke Hall School and said to the people, to the party, we're not going in the wrong direction. Going in the wrong direction doesn't mean in government. I said the party. Meaning the MPs have no respect for the people that elect them, and they becomes God unto themselves, and them deal with people anyhow, and them feel like, and listen, it don't matter who the person is. When you are in a party, it don't matter what status you have. You are a party member, and you are supposed to be treated like everybody else. The leader of the party, the chairman, the deputy chairman, the general secretary, those are leadership of the party. And not even them any respect is shown to. And I talked to them and I told them that, listen, this thing not right. And say what anybody want to say. I deliberately put these voice notes into the group. Because in the group, information media, you have 63 constituencies in it. And these are voices from all over Jamaica. That means if Era Council 1 didn't have a problem by itself, it's all persons from Era Council would have voice. These are voices from every constituency. From St. Thomas, from Clarendon, from Manchester, from Westmoreland, from St. Elizabeth, all voices in the group. It cannot be accident. Something is literally wrong in the party. And that is what the attention needed. At this time, where an election is around the corner, and all we can be doing is running around begging the workers. The workers them upset. And I put some voice notes in the group with a discussion in there yesterday because I just happened to come home last night and going through the group and see them. And I start put them in the group.